Monitor ghosting is caused by slow response time of a monitor relative to what is happening on screen. Of all the LCD monitor types, a ghosting monitor is most likely to be a VA panel because they have slower response time compared to TN or IPS panel types. So what is ghost image in a computer? Ghost imaging, often called cloning, is a software-driven data backup process that copies the content of a computer hard disk in a single compressed file or set of files, referred to as an image. So why is the toner not sticking to paper? It could be a matter of poor quality or incompatibility with the fuser. Try purchasing brand names, original toners. If the toner is still not adhering properly, break out the product manual or reach out to the manufacturer's tech support. When your printer's internal components are dirty or clogged, the paper starts to wrinkle. Wrinkling also occurs when the roller inside your printer pulls the paper through incorrectly. Wrinkling not only damages the paper, but also causes paper fragments to contaminate your printer's internal parts. So why is your printer not feeding paper properly? Dust, paper fibers, and other debris might accumulate on the pick roller and cause paper feed issues. To help prevent paper feed issues, clean the rollers inside the printer and in the duplexer. If the other steps in this document fail to resolve the issue, then reset the printer. Cause of paper jam. Improperly loading paper into the device. Loading paper that is stuck together, frayed, curled, or bent can cause a jam. Overloading the paper tray, loading different thickness of paper in the tray, or using paper that isn't appropriate for your particular printer can also result in a jammed printing. Cause of garbled characters on paper. Printer drivers. Problems with the printer software driver that maintain communication among your computer, operating system, applications, and printer can produce garbled output. In some cases, the symptoms trace to installing the wrong driver option for your output hardware or the OS version. Vertical lines on page. Printers' heads and rollers can get dirty over time. While not exclusive to low-resolution prints, debris on the print's head and rollers can produce vertical lines in the print because the ink is either being blocked from going on to the page or is being smeared once on the page. This problem can occur because the memory settings on the Microsoft Windows printer driver is too low. The default memory setting for some printer drivers is the lowest possible setting. Therefore, this setting may be insufficient for your print job. Most printers will stop working when they're out of paper, ink, or toner, or if the unit detects an issue with the ink or toner cartridge. When this occurs, you might receive an error message or notice blinking green or amber light on your printer. The ink cartridges may be old or low on ink, and you may need to replace them. Your printed colors can never exactly match your on-screen colors. However, you can use a color management system to get as close as possible. Try using the color management option in your printer software. A faulty, corrupt, or missing printer driver can cause unable to install printer. Operation could not be completed. Error. To resolve the issue, you can update the printer driver. If you don't have time, patience, and computer skills to update the driver manually, you can do it automatically with Driver Easy. There are numerous possible causes for a printer that randomly produces blanks. The most common ones are empty ink cartridges, improper cartridge installation, and congested nozzles. Drivers and software issues can sometimes cause this problem as well. Try rebooting your computer or your mobile device and sending the print jobs again. Try sending the jobs to a different printer. If that works, you'll know it's an issue with the printer and you will need to put in a service call.